Hi everybody, welcome to Margie's Bite, and today I went to a diner, the Millennium Diner. I got their chicken finger panini, which has barbecue sauce, cheddar cheese. So, trying to rip this bag open. They tied it up so great. Of course, got french fries. Yeah, it's loaded with french fries. And loaded with mozzarella cheese. But I'm super excited. I've never been to this diner before. So, okay, let's try one of their fries. Very good for a diner. I wish it was a little more seasoned. It's nicely cooked, though. Oh, get a load of that cheese. Oh, my goodness. They certainly don't skip out on the mozzarella cheese, which absolutely love. And there's the chicken. All right. Bread is nice and toasted. So, absolutely love the cheesiness of it. It's absolutely cheesy. I love cheese. It's super cheesy, which for me, I actually like it. Some people probably don't. Wish a little less cheese. The chicken was pretty good. Tender. Not crispy, but it was tender, juicy. And the bread was pretty nice and toasted, and reasonably crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. But yeah, very good. All right. Well, thank you for watching, and this is Margie's Bite. Peace out, people.